Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn our next chapter 1.7, that is Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. And see the stars. They are the real heroes of our country. And Paramveer Chakra, it is the India's highest military decoration given to given to the person who sacrifices their life to serve our country. They give their life. They never think about their life, but always think about our country, our motherland, our India. So let us see Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. See on page number 20. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. Yes, we know about the extraordinary acts of their braveness, of their courage. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifices their own lives for our safety. For our safety, for the people's safety, our soldiers sacrifices their lives. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. So the military decoration is given to them to bestowing, means to honor them, and they honored by the various means that bestowing means what they did for the country, for the our motherland. So the bestowing is given to them, means that the outstanding performance they did, and for that the military decorations honored them. See, Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor of self-sacrifice. Means here conspicuous means here the main or the notable bravery, means which is noticed by everyone. So that bravery, and for that the Paramveer Chakra is given for such kinds of notable or the main bravery who sacrifices their life also in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air, means our air force or our navy or our army, maybe three. So in the presence of enemy, they sacrifices their life to the person who sacrifices their life in the presence of enemy, they honored by the various bestowing decorations like Paramveer Chakra also. See, the Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor, and it is very rare. It is not that each and everyone get that. It is rare. Why? Because so far it has been awarded only 21 times. 21 times it is given. 14 of these awards were given to posthumously. Posthumously means after the person get death. Means from that 21, 14% get death, and another 7 they are alive, but also they did the courageous work. See, what is the Paramveer Chakra actually? See the picture. The medal itself is a very simple in appearance. It looks very simple. It is made of bronze. See, it is not a gold or a diamond. It is made of a bronze, and it fitted with a swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Swivel, swivel mounting means that roundable, that circling. So roundable mounting and hat has a plain purple ribbon only. Purple ribbon is there. On the observes, it has the Indian national emblem at the center. And at the center, our emblem is there. Our four lions are there. Surrounded by four reflexes of India's Vajra. See, the what we say that the four reflexes means that the lions of India and the India's Vajra. Vajra means like what we say that Indra's Vajra means Indradev is the name of Indian god, and Indradev's Vajra, he had one weapon. So that is Indra's Vajra. So that's surrounded by four replicas of Indra's Vajra. Four side you can see, means one side it is looking like a W. So it is what? It is the Indra's Vajra. In middle, the emblem is there, four lions are there, and four side that W like sign is there, that is Indra's Vajra. Vajra means weapon. On the reverse, the words Paramvir Chakra are embodied in Hindi and English with two lotus flower in between. Two lotus flowers are there in between, and the words in English and Hindi, that is Paramvir Chakra, is there. The Paramvir Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. Savitribai Khanolkar, she designed this Paramvir Chakra medal. She was European lady. See, she was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Indian army officer Vikram Khanolkar. She married with him. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and tradition in very depth. Very deeply she studied about Indian arts, traditions, and even she was very fluent in Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi. So now see, Indra's Vajra. Why the Indra's Vajra are there on the medal? Indra's Vajra or a thunderbolt. That Vajra is a thunderbolt, means that what we say, that rain, like rain and that sound of the air, that is thunderbolt, is supposed to be a matchless weapon. It is a matchless, there was no another match. It was a matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invisible in the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dhatiji? Means, see that the sage whose name was Dhatiji, he sacrifices, the supreme sacrifices was there for this weapon, and that's why this weapon is there, because the Indian army, navy, or whether our aeroplane, means that our soldiers, they are going to sacrifices their life, and this is the symbol of the sacrification. That Vajra, Indra's Vajra, it is the sacrifice, symbol for the sacrifice. According to the legend, see what the legend, what the old period, ancient period said. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. A demon means that राक्षस जिसे हम बोलते हैं. A demon had stolen all the water in the world. All over the world, he stole the water. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water, and the people were dying. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. And he was not defeated by any weapon, though it is from the made up by the wood or metal. Something extraordinary was required. Extraordinary weapon should be there. It was learned that the sage Dhatiji had bones of such an extraordinary power. And people know about that. This sage means sadhu जिसे बोलते हैं. This sage Dhatiji had his own bone. And that bones are not a simple bone but extraordinary powered. That extraordinary power was there in the bones of Dhatiji, sage Dhatiji. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? He was not yet dead, and who will ask to the living man? Sage Dhatiji was a noble person, but he was too good. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help people. He himself laid down his life. He sacrificed his life and he gave his bone to the people, for the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, and he gave that bones for the Indra's Vajra. Indra's Vajra, it is the sign of rain. Indra's weapon of thunderbolts was fashioned from these bones. So what is that W like? These are the bones of sage Dhatiji, and the demon was defeated. And because of that power of sage Dhatiji, Demon was